Puta que pariu, que merda. Meu Deus. Coitado dele.
Gra, gra, gra. RPT, força, força. Gang, 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 nigga. Gra, gra. Look, oh, he jacking what? We gon' start to the front, we gon' click till it's done, and let's have some.
I'm on my soapbox, y'all. I'm on my damn soapbox, y'all. What in the hell is going on? Really? Really? This is not a Mustang, bro. This is $100,000, $150,000, $200,000 car. You know, I'm all over the place. I've seen them prices all over. But really? This is what you do? Yo, that's crazy, my boy. That's wild, my boy. That's crazy wild, my boy. That's crazy, my boy. Crazy. All right, y'all. So this was a Florida driver. Yeah, Florida man. This was a Florida man, Florida driver. This shit says the Corvette ZR1 driving perfects 180 degree spin, hits a curve at Cars and Coffee. It says, handful of blah blah, as one known owner leaves a car and coffee, there's a reason for that. 2019 Corvette ZR1, owner down in Florida, recently proved supercar level performance can get out of hand quickly. Duh, you know you got the power. Most powerful ZR1 ever built. Like, you gotta be smarter than flooring it. Thank God there wasn't a bunch of people lining the road. Thank God it wasn't kids and all that good stuff, man. This isn't California where we're doing all that silly stuff. This is a car that's usually bought by a financially stable, matured individual. Not a 16-year-old, 18-year-old kid. So you don't expect to see stuff like that. I know the Mustang even gets a bad rap, but at the end of the day, the Mustang is a very cheap, affordable muscle car to get you into the beginning stages of American muscle. So you get a lot of teenagers in there that floor it. Of course, we know it's front engine, that 5.0, it's light in the back, people lose control, they don't know how to counter steer, so on and so forth, and they crash. That's my opinion on why people crash in Mustangs. It's not the Mustang's fault, it's the sale price and the individuals of that are purchasing it. They're more immature, more young, and they tend to make those mistakes even more. Do you guys agree? Do you guys disagree? I think we should agree on that one. Again, respectfully, professionally, this is not something you should be doing with a Corvette. All right, understand it is a 6.2 liter LT5 V8 engine, 755 horsepower, 715 pounds feet-pounds of torque. They said it's only what 2,441 coupes that were built. 512 convertibles. The rest are 884 were manuals. Like, this is a gem. They're done making these cars and y'all out here crashing them. Like, I wouldn't do it. They said Arnold K., the organizer of the event, told Roads and Cars he tried to do what he can to stress safety and prevent the incidents like before it happened. Staff on site provided by the venue who have been absolutely amazing also made sure they tell cars, hey, don't do this, don't do that, don't rev, don't be loud, don't do all this extra stuff. Needless to say, you're always going to find that one person to do stuff like this. They said just a week before the Corvette crash, there was a video published on YouTube stressing the frustration about these exact things because this is what gets events canceled. For any of you guys that love car shows, car events, you understand that this is what gets them canceled. When people do crazy stuff like this, because you did a burnout for 150 feet, and now when the cops come on scene, you can't say you lost control because we see the lines, we see the spins, and those guys get paid to go to traffic school and learn how to weigh your speed and your acceleration and all that stuff. So there's no getting out of this. Unfortunately, we may have got a rebuild on the Corvette. Didn't seem too bad. I seen the rear rim, maybe left side, was it left? No, driver's side seems like it spun around 180, slid over the thing. So you're probably gonna have some struts and shocks and all those kind of issues as well. Steering issues, problems, you know, all those steering struts and stuff. Second issue is the Cars and Coffee might be postponed. It might be even stricter because everyone feels how they feel about the car scene. And then the good news is no one was on the sidewalk in that area, so we didn't have to hear this sad story about a car being damaged and the person being killed or injured. Just sad to see, man. We got to do better. We always got to try to push. What do you guys think in the comments below? I know I do dumb stuff too, but it's going to be an empty parking lot. It's going to be snow. I promise you. Anytime I do something stupid in the ZR1, it's going to be, and I say stupid because it's stupid to do it no matter what. You make that stupid choice to do stupid things and you're going to have stupid issues and stupid repercussions you're going to have to freaking deal with. Whew. But, you know, I'm going to try to move it to the track a little more and stuff like that. But if I'm in a ghost town or ghost city and there's a big empty warehouse with a big empty parking lot, get loose. If I get a ticket, it's my fault. If I get a destruction of property, trespassing, a ticket of reckless endangerment, that's my fault. I don't want a vehicular manslaughter though. Two wrongs don't make it right. I'm not perfect, but I can be better than worse. You know what I'm saying? And being worse is doing dumb stuff like that. Being a little better is sticking to empty parking lots or wait until midnight when businesses close, Walmart parking lots, whatever the case may be. But like I said, no one was hurt, just a car. And unfortunately, this is a lesson for the owner. I know you might be financially hurting, embarrassed, but this is a lesson to you. Glad everyone's safe, glad no one is hurt, glad it's only equipment that can be replaced. Until next time, don't forget, you're not watching I Say Josh, and I'm about to hit that gym, baby. I love y'all. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all another time. The hell was that?
Hey, hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why.